So our product is used in a variety of different applications. So the traditional type of application would be a factory tour or a VIP tour, training, museum tours, and so on. But we have some customers that have very unique applications. We have one customer that has a yoga retreat, and they will walk along in the forest out to a grove. And while they're walking and talking as part of the yoga experience, they want to be quiet. They don't want to interrupt the environment. So that's an application that's very unique. Another one is a company up in Seattle, Washington, that provides tours of fisheries, and they'll walk along streams and rivers. And again, they want to be in a quiet type of environment. And we have a house of worship that use the product for language interpretation, assisted listening, and so on. So it's used not only in your traditional applications, but a variety of other applications as well.